Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Mobvoi Earbuds ANC. Now, ANC stands for Active Noise Cancellation, for anyone that was wondering, and Mobvoi did send these over for review purposes. The retail price is roughly $60 US. I'll include a link in the description, and basically, these launched at the end of January, and they're pretty feature rich, and as you already know, at 60 bucks, pretty affordable. And for anyone unfamiliar with Mobvoi, they also make the Tick Watch. I'm sure some of you caught my unboxing of that. That lineup of Android Wear watches really there are quite a few models, and they're popular for good reason. They're generally high end. They use solid internals to really make sure that they're competing with the majority of basically the top of the line products in the marketplace. So hopefully at $60, they'll have somehow pulled that off here as well. So active noise cancellation, there are 2 microphones on board, voice control. These also have touch control on board, high fidelity sound with the 13 millimeter speakers. And then, of course, I already mentioned the noise cancellation. And on the back, a quick look again, 6 quick voice commands, a quiet mode with active noise cancellation, sound pass-through mode, as well as a host of different things. You can use a single earbud, battery life 5 hours for the earbuds, but then 21 with the charge case, because after all, the charge case will permit you to continuously recharge these without having to get to a power source. So let's go ahead and get this out of the box. And I've seen a lot of affordable earbuds. They generally are exactly that, just affordable. But let's hope with these Mobvoi ANCs that we've got something a little bit different. So very small travel case, already like that, just a black plastic case. And of course, open it up and there are the earbuds. And it does not matter which, left or right, they do not designate on these to my knowledge. So let me go ahead and put those down. And you can already see on the units that they are lighting up. So or at least I saw on one of them as this sticks to my finger. See if I can get rid of that. It looks like this one. Yeah, this one is illuminated. Bluetooth 5.0 for anyone that was wondering, but I'm sure you're not surprised. Right there, you can see the touch area that is touch sensitive for controls. And then I believe they've got 1 microphone here and then another one towards the top. And I take back what I said before about right and left. This is designated as right and this is designated as left. I could have sworn I read something to the effect of that it was interchangeable, but it makes sense that it's not. You need to have, let me put these in the correct orientation. They are obviously supposed to be comfortable, and part of achieving that is going to be done through the mold. Looks like the secondary or the primary mic is right there, but it could be the secondary one for the background noise. I'm not sure which is which, but that pretty much covers what the earbuds look like. The rubber tips, we should have some more inside of here. Let's see how I'm gonna just pull that out and get the rest of the accessories and paperwork right now out of the package. And so we got a charging cable, which I expected, type C to type A. That's going to permit you to charge them. And then last but not least, the extra earpieces for comfort, in order to make sure you get the feel that you absolutely need. And then we just got some stickers from Mobvoi advertising their Tick Watch, the brand, and that's pretty much it. So again, the Mobvoi Earbuds ANC. I'm going to test these out, see how they work. And at $60 US, if they can deliver what Mobvoi is advertising, I think they are going to be quite popular. Again, the fact that they deliver solid, I would say solid battery life. And if the noise cancellation is on par with a lot of the major manufacturers, then this is kind of a steal at $60. Travel light. Your Type-C port there, you can see it's green right now, which I'm sure is indicating that it is fully charged, but I'm not positive. I'll have to take a look, and I will update all of you on overall performance and capability and whether or not it ends up being a value at $60. I have a feeling it will be. Mobvoi has a pretty solid reputation. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them, hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.